first order of the day. We've got a Black Rock coffee. This one is $9 going 6.5 miles.
You're all set.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is $7 and change going 5 miles.
There's that for Kevin.
Thank you. Just got the next order. This is a Seize the Bagel, $10 going 6.5 miles. Next up, we've got a Starbucks taking me about halfway across the river. This one is $8 going 5.5 miles. I'm hoping the orders after this aren't going to continue taking me further away. Thank you. You too. So I think every Starbucks has a joke of the day, and theirs was, what do you call somebody who puts their right hand inside of a T-Rex's mouth? Any guesses? Because I've got no clue. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $14 going 7 miles, 3 items.
Does it give you a location though?
It says this aisle, 14. Oh, I'm so blind. I didn't even look over here.
Right.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Literally right behind me. Got the next order right away. This one is Nectar Juice Bar, $13 going 6 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a Joe Brown's Cafe, $9 going 1.5 miles. Hello. I was just dropping off for a.
Okay.
It says leave with a reception.
Do you have a room number at all?
3. Oh no. No, it just says leave at building reception.
I can work with that. If you want to just message them.
Yeah, I'll let them know.
Here.
Well, I got one more coming.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you later.
Next order lined up right after this. It is a shop and deliver for Safeway, $12 going 6 miles, only 1 item.
Guest assistance at the premium liquor cabinet. Guest assistance at the premium liquor cabinet.
The email says, because I emailed them this morning to let them know that.
Yeah, just that one.
Alrighty.
Got the next order right away. This one is another shop and deliver for alcohol. This is $8 going 4.5 miles, one item. Hello. Okay, I've been sitting around for like 15 minutes now and still haven't gotten the next order, so probably going to be calling it here. Current time is 9:32. Current total, we're at 86, and I think we're just waiting on one Uber tip, which should bring it up to like 90. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.